In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom macro on a ROG Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. A macro lets you combine multiple keystrokes into a single button press, and you can map up to 5 different inputs into one button, which is super useful and convenient in certain games or workflows. But start by hitting the Command Center button and open up the Armory Crate SE. Once you go ahead and open this up, what you're going to want to do is go to the Configure section. From here, go to Configure and make sure that you're under Control mode, and make sure that you're set to Gamepad mode. Now, currently I am on a controller, so just keep that in mind. But essentially, open this up, put it on Gamepad mode, and then go ahead and open up Key Mapping. To this, you can actually go back all the way, go up to Configure right here, and then go ahead and go back to Gamepad mode, hit Configure again, and then you'll be on the option to Key Map. And here you can change what each button does. Choose the button that you want to assign the macro for. For example, we'll go ahead and do the Y button right here, right? What you're going to want to do is select it and then look for this secondary function. And to do this, you're going to use the M1 or M2 back buttons, or really any remappable button. But essentially, go ahead and select the button, choose Edit, just like so. And once you hit Edit, you're going to have the option to change exactly what is on here. You can hit X to create a combination key and assign up to 5 inputs. For example, keyboard keys like V or T, number pad keys like 1 through 10, directional inputs, or really any mapped controls. If you're not happy with it, select it and go ahead and choose delete, just like so. But that is how you can create a custom macro here on the ROG Xbox Ally X. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.